Hi friends, in this short video I'll be telling you one of the most important questions and queries that a beginner might have, that is whether Wirestock is exclusive or non-exclusive. Alright, if you don't know what do I mean, exclusive means if you upload one photo in an agency, you cannot upload the same photo in any other agency, and if you do, your account will be banned and you will have some copyright issues. And non-exclusive means you can upload the same photo in all other agencies and you don't need to worry about anything. For example, Shutterstock is a non-exclusive agency. It gives you the permission, if you have uploaded one photo in Shutterstock, you can upload the same photo in any other agency. For example, you can upload the same photo in Getty Images, Adobe Stock, etc. Whereas Getty Images has got a dual option. Dreamstime has got a dual option. If you upload the photo in a non-exclusive contract, you can do the same thing like Shutterstock, just I spoke now. But if you upload the photo under exclusive contract, what you need to do, you cannot upload the same photo anywhere else. Now let us think about Wirestock. What is Wirestock? Wirestock is a distribution agency. You upload your photos in Wirestock and it will upload that photo in its distributor clients. What are the distributor clients of Wirestock? Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. There are few distribution clients which you need to read. Okay, what you need to do is you cannot upload that same photo in those agencies. So Wirestock is a selectively exclusive, technically speaking, because if you upload the same photo via Wirestock into Shutterstock and you upload the same photo directly into Shutterstock via your personal account, then you will have a duplicacy of files and both of your accounts will be banned. And personally, it's much easier to delete the photo from Shutterstock rather than from Wirestock, because in Shutterstock you are uploading your photo directly into your portfolio, whereas in Wirestock you are uploading your photo into common Wirestock portfolio where you don't know and you don't have the control over that image in Wirestock portfolio. All right, so please note that don't upload the same image in your Wirestock and Shutterstock portfolio or Adobe Stock for that matter. But what if you have uploaded one photo into Shutterstock, now you are new into Wirestock? Well, you can selectively choose the agencies where you can upload in Wirestock. So be careful, and that's all that you need to know. But there are multiple other agencies which do not come under the client distributor network of Wirestock, right? You can easily upload your same photo that you have uploaded in Wirestock into all those agencies and you won't face any problem, right? So Wirestock is selectively exclusive for its sub distributor clients, but Wirestock is non-exclusive if you are not uploading the same photo in those selective agencies. I hope I was very clear in explaining this, and if you have any query and if you're not understanding what I said, please ask me in the comment and I'll explain the same thing in Hindi also. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.